Hi, my name is Wayne Walker, and I'm the Managing Director of Global Capital Market Solutions. Our topic, the economic reports to pay attention to. Economic reports. The first one's up, what we call interest rates, and these many times are market movers. Let's say one of the most well-known is the Fed's or the FOMC interest rates report coming from the States. And this number, the market clearly pays attention to. On the other side, we also have the Bank of England, BOE report, and we also have ECB, the European Central Bank. And as far as our collection of market-moving economic reports, these interest rates are ones you do want to pay attention to. Another, non-farm payroll. It gives you a very broad picture of the US job market. And this number in particular, there are many traders that are out there that, this is basically what they trade. And for many of the FX trading desks, and in some cases, let's call it where they earn their money as far as let's call it the bonus pool, a lot of that actually comes off this number, the non-farm payrolls. It is definitely one of the big market movers. Next, we have housing starts. And this is, again, referring to housing start numbers in the States. And this number, what we key on is what we call the ripple effect. The ripple effect meaning that this number reflects the amount of homes that are being built and the ripple that you get from this. Let's take a look at these homes. If someone is building 50, even as actually as low as maybe 20 homes, in building these homes, it will actually ripple through the economy, meaning that they will need to hire people to help them to build it. They will need materials for these homes. Once the people move in, we're looking at them having furniture, maybe importing things in, Italian tiles, different things like that. And let's say if it gets into a situation where, a lot of homes are being built in one particular place, they might even need new schools, because these people, when they, of course, buy the homes, typically many of them also have kids. But as far as the market movers, these are the top three. Obviously, there are other numbers that are out there, but as the ones that we need as a trader, where you will see this movement, it's interest rates, non-farm payrolls, the job numbers, and the housing starts for the ripple effect.